Hey, Smoothie.
Na, kleiner Hus, Laura.
Aloha.
Hi.
Na, was treibst du?
Boah, ich habe neue Lampen gebaut. Hä? Hä?
Du baust jetzt wohl immer was.
Ja.
Das ist jetzt wohl dein neues Ding.
Ich baue jetzt Sachen. The only thing I need is another holder because this might be annoying when I'm driving. Can we do this real quick before we start the housework?
Sure, let's do it.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Speed up, hurry up.
Hey, was ist das für ein Pika?
Die sind neu.
Druckbleistift?
Ja.
Geil.
Richtig geil. Für so Sachen perfekt. Slit screws made of aluminum. So even the brass slit screws are pretty tricky because it's very easy to, you know, destroy them. But the aluminum ones, they're even more delicate.
Final test? You need light, Laura. You need light.
Oh, we have a power out. Bing. Yeah.
Okay, we're driving now.
Oh, I'm so panicked. Okay, also sieht gut aus.
Geil.
Ja, oder?
Mega.
Two more things.
Okay.
Little paracord, because you always need that when you're camping, but it's like tied up. And, of course, Leatherman.
Sure.
Right at the door.
Nice.
In last week's video, I talked about that it might be time for me to build a team or to work with more experts in certain fields because I'm just way out of my depth with this house renovation project. So this week, we actually already have a new team member. It happened so much quicker than we thought. His name is Marius, and he is so knowledgeable. You will meet him in a couple minutes. He's already at the house. And today, since we're taking advantage of teamwork now, Felix is going to work with Marius on the house, on the electricity, and I will stay here and turn a couple more of these beautiful flight case boxes into a mobile workshop. Because now we have more people working there, we need more tools, we need more organization. So those are perfect for that. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go!
First we have to clean up this mess. Ah, hello, welcome to the team.
Da ist so ein alter Schließer dran, den müssen wir auf jeden Fall abschrauben, sonst kriegen wir die Tür nicht ausgehangen. Cooles Ding.
Müssen wir haben.
Müssen wir haben, auf jeden Fall. Auch geil, so alte Schlitzschrauben, ne? Also eigentlich ist Schlitz ja richtig kacke, aber für sowas sind die mega geil, weil die einfach so mega gut sauber zu machen sind, wenn da Lack drauf ist. So ein Torx, den kriegst du ja nie wieder sauber, um da den Bit reinzustecken, weißt du?
Okay, the first room is clean. Now we collect our tools.
Was?
Was ist los?
Aus irgendeinem Grund, die Leitung war damit angeschlossen und da war ein Stecker dran.
Hä? In der Wand oder was?
Ja, also das hing hier so und das war hier halt einfach mit an der Steckdose angeschlossen.
What?
Aber da ist ein Stecker und der hat ja dann Strom. Der Stecker, der hat ja Dauerspannung, Alter. Wie krass ist das? Was haben die sich dabei gedacht? Was haben die gemacht? Ey, das ist richtig krass. Stell dir vor, da wäre jetzt einer in den letzten Tagen, wenn noch Strom drauf war, so einfach hier dran gekommen. So.
Ey, abgefahren.
Richtig
Mann.
abgefahren, ey.
Was zum Teufel?
Jo.
Hi.
Wie sieht's aus?
Good. How was your day?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's amazing. The house is clean. Looks pretty.
I can't wait to see it. I already love working in a team. I can play with the boxes and the boys are doing all the shit work. No, but so far I cleaned out all those 3 boxes and I have some drawers ready. You will like this. This is for cutting stuff. This is for power tools. I try to keep it as open and flexible as possible. It's probably my favorite drawer. Yeah, so no more measuring problems. And then there's this one. Still haven't decided what to do with that space, but at least we have the essentials. The most important drawer is probably this one. Still working on it, the charger. And as I said, I wanted to be flexible, so I pretty much just hot glued these cut-off pieces in place to give it some order, and then it's still flexible enough to just rip it out and place it differently if we learn that this is not the right setup. I don't know what's missing, but something is missing, and now it's a little bit more complicated than it used to be.
A little bit.
I got this. This is actually for precise. Oh, I can't see anything. I have to use my chin. I still can't see anything. Okay, here we go. That's good.
It's so funny that your hot glue has this defect and you use it all the time.
I think I got it like this. That's why I got it. I got it for free because it was broken. But yeah, I don't know. I just got used to it. Every defect gets respect. That's not what my shirt says. But da ist ein Dackel. Oh. Smudo! Oh, Attacke! Oh, Männlein, komm her. Komm mal zu mir, zeig mal, hast du noch alle Zähne? Alles. Bist du mit dem Skateboard hingefallen? Oh nein. Oh, er hat Schock, er hat einen Schock, er muss trinken. Komm, hier vorne ist was zu trinken. Ja! Boah! Geil. Schweres Ding.
Du könntest auch mal mit anfangen.
Ja, ich danke Janine. Jo. Oh, Gott sei Dank. Ja, wenn es jetzt nicht fällt, fällt es auch während der Fahrt nicht. Boah, kleben die fest oder sind die so schwer?
Die sind so schwer.
Nee, das gibt's doch nicht.
Ja, die sind richtig schwer.
Ey, der ist auf der Boden eingedellt. Felix, gib mir mal ganz kurz die Kamera. Selbstabholer, 100%ig. This feels awesome to have a tiny, kind of mobile workshop in the house. Before, we only had like the pretty hardcore demolition work and we only needed a hammer and a broom, basically. But now we're getting more and more to the point where we need proper tools and more delicate tools. So this feels good to have all of this set up and ready to go, especially because it looks like we might be working with more people. So everybody has like the labels, they can see where everything is, and they can work without me or Felix being here. And this feels really efficient and really good. Okay, so Marius worked on the electricity. Whoops. And the tricky thing for me to understand was there were a lot of really old and dangerous wires and installations. Marius said that the fuse box is still pretty new and we can definitely reuse this, which I'm a big fan of. So we have the best of both worlds. We get rid of all the fire hazards and the dangerous stuff, but we can also reuse and recycle the stuff that is still good. And I would have never been able to tell which is which. So Marius decided this is all good to go. And he also said that we can take the whole thing and put it in the cellar. So this will be a clean area. And now the only thing we have left at electricity is one little plug here. And this is electricity that we can use for our power tools and lighting and lightning and all of that. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I could have never done this by myself, and I know that Felix couldn't have done that either. So, oops, thank you. All right, so the conclusion for this video is teamwork is better than doing everything myself. And it was probably naive to think that Felix and I could just spontaneously learn how to renovate a 120-year-old house by ourselves in a matter of a couple of weeks. So yes, in hindsight, it was very naive. But now we learned, we found Marius, and we got the first point on our list. We can not cross it off, but we know how to do it now because Marius is an expert and he can help us understand how to tackle this. And I think this is the plan for the future, to find people who can help us, to ask for help, and to learn how to work in a team. And I think we're on a good way. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoy Marius' expertise. And we will see you next week with a new video. Bye. If you don't know what these cases are, I made a full video about them. I got them on eBay. And the whole system is a former espionage defense unit from the 90s. And it's pretty much the coolest thing I ever bought. So check out the video if you haven't seen it. Ja, da kann man schon noch irgendwas mitmachen. Okay, arbeiten.